veggies. Yan ang veggies. So, tapos kami nakabili ng kami. So, yan. Huwag mo namin. Lagyan namin sa nice day. Gawang gusto mo. So, malugay din kasi. Mag-stir. I just rice. Mabango sa tayo. Just 2 pesos lang and then kurado or obi. Ars caldo. I use this one mango. This is masarap. This one, what color? Orange man color. Ah, orange. Yeah. I have still fishing, so no need muna tila pepper now. That's yellow and red. I have still kupihan alat. Oh, ahos. Steam lang siya. Kuan, ginaw mo. Small, they have small. I like the big one. Steam. Oh, pilang full steam, saba, banana. Yeah. Yes.
What time?
That one? Okay. One. I see. Beef. The beef is sliced already. Same big lang yan, han? That's same big, yes. I can slice naman. I have chopboard there. Big slice. Oh, wow. Mas love delicious. Fresh na fresh. That one. This one, that one. I can slice on my, I have chopboard. Yan. Beef din siya, slice na siya. Kasi he's always, do not ask him kasi his answer always no. For oven yan sa tin, oven. He will eat naman anything but just do that without us. Oh, big. So big. Okay. Have a room again. Just look at the present. Which all is same lang naman, no? Oh, no, good. We need to check. Huh? What? Oh, about but that's not sweet?
No, these are sweet.
Oh, really?
Navel one.
Oh, okay, this one mas okay kay orange na orange ang color. Look, check mo na if they have something bad, color bad.
Look bad to me.
Oh, because I put in my, alright. One cup siya. Then, yan. Luto na siya. I-steam na siya. Santino is pretty. That's my. I like that. Queso box. Plus, ground pork, spicy flavor. This is the masarap no breakfast.
You don't like it. You said that's sweet.
Oh, it's the nut, that's not the nuts. I don't know which one.
Right here, dear. Where you got this?
That one, right there
No,
too.
you didn't. That's different. That's for
Okay, here. 15 small one. Coffee. Oh, and garlic.
onion salt.
No, I do not do it, so just garlic.
Garlic
Natural
salt?
garlic. No, I don't need that. So just natural garlic without salt.
You want minced onions. What do you
Yes,
want?
then it's garlic powder only without salt.
Right there.
Yes, that one.
Give me my 8.
Steak. Or, yeah. Steak. Asparagus. This one. Ayan, asparagus. Lutoy ko siya with butter. Customer. So, dari mga dress. Yung customer karon na mag-stir sa Sunday. One dyan, small table for our lights. Magbudak-budak sa So, this is my Ah.
Leg. Usually fruit bowl.
Okay, which the nice oh, ada legs. With the legs. Yes, that one. With legs. Yeah, with the legs. This yung nakuha niya is
I'm gonna get Ron Kendall out there.
What does Ron Kendall say for the living quarters for the blocks when she has the door? How high is
They have
that
it at
one?
first. They have the ones where the tie beams are